Bird photography can be an exciting way to engage with natural spaces. Capturing a soaring bald eagle in flight, or tracing the breath of a red-winged blackbird in frosty winter air can connect us with the beautiful wildlife that inhabits our world. Unfortunately, research has shown that birds don't always see photographers as friends. Organizations like the American Birding Association and the Audubon Society have prescribed several codes of ethical photography that can make the experience more enjoyable and rewarding for both birds and people. Here are a few highlights. 1. Prioritize respect for birds and the environment before getting the perfect shot. 2. Respect local laws and the rules of the refuge, nature preserve, or park that you visit. 3. Maintain distance so that birds are not stressed by your presence. 4. Pay extra attention during breeding and nesting seasons when birds are especially sensitive. 5. Do not use bird call playbacks since they might alter natural behavior. Finally, your photos can positively impact conservation and research efforts. Uploading your sightings to platforms like Naturalist can help ongoing research. The iNaturalist community can also help you identify and learn more about local wildlife. To get started, visit iNaturalist.org. Sign up for an account. Once you're logged in, click on Upload to start making contributions. It's that simple. If you have a few places that you regularly visit, check out the Projects feature where you can join or create location-based projects that track recent sightings. Enjoy heading into nature and photographing some incredible birds.